Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two VPN platforms, which is ProtonVPN and McAfee VPN. So to get started with a quick overview, ProtonVPN is a top-tier privacy-focused VPN developed by the team behind the Proton Mail, offering often a source of privacy, strong encryption, and no policy log. It appeals to users who value anonymity, security, and trust in natural jurisdiction. I'm talking about the McAfee Safe Connect VPN is a bundled with a McAfee browser security suite. It's built for ease of use, casual protection, and also lack of deep privacy features and a flexibility found in a standalone VPN. I'm talking about the weakness of these two platforms, starting with the Proton VPN. That's a premium tier plan which can be pricey. The fewer features on the free plan are really few, and also slower speed on a free server. Then talking about the McAfee weakness, on the other side, has a log issue with some users and information, and no advanced features like split tunneling and multi-hop in the features, and fewer global servers and location. And also, these two platforms are best for a casual users or those already subscribed to a McAfee antivirus. Then for the Proton, it is a privacy conscious users, researchers, and those in higher risky region. And here's what this overall calculation about these two platforms. So if you want a transparency and policy with a first VPN with a top tier encryption and open source trust, just go for ProtonVPN. The other side, if you are a casual user looking for a basic protection and already using a McAfee antivirus suite, just go for a McAfee VPN. So that's it.